Going to Charlie's Burgers is an experience where you have no idea what's going to happen.
Hey,
Hi.
how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Where are we going?
Can't tell you.
Why?
It's a surprise.
My name is Alita Solomon. I've been a restaurant owner in Toronto for almost 20 years. Being a restaurant owner is not so much a job, it's a lifestyle. You work your whole life to build this restaurant, and then 17 years later, I am at a point in my life where I can finally reward myself.
Okay, where are we going? Just tell me the name
We're
of the
going
place.
to a Charlie Burger dinner.
You're taking me out for a burger?
Charlie's a person. I want to take my friend Kaz to this dinner tonight because going to a secret supper club like Charlie's Burgers is such an amazing experience. You don't actually find out what the space is going to look like. You have no idea who you're going to sit with. What are you going to eat? It's such an incredible feeling being virtually blindfolded going into a situation anywhere in the city. I wanted him to be shocked at how amazing it can be to go to a dinner experience where you actually have no idea what's going to happen.
Welcome to Charlie's Burgers. Thank you for coming. We have a really special chef cooking for you tonight. We have Basilio Pesce, who will be coming out and sweet. As you know, Charlie's Burgers features chefs from some of the top restaurants from around the world that we bring into Toronto for a night, and we let them roll out any menu they want.
As a restaurant owner and a chef, being able to go out to other people's restaurants now and enjoy the moment with your friends and meet new people and try new things without looking at a clock, it's one of the greatest experiences.
It was unexpected. It was fun. Food was delicious. I think I was kind of spoiled today because I didn't do any of the driving. I didn't do any of the cooking. All I did was sit back and enjoy the ride.
You get to a certain point where you want to do the things that you worked your whole career for, and you just have to get there. And once you get there, it's a sense of freedom. And the freedom tastes so good.